Hi, welcome to my channel Techie Krish. So, in my last session, I discussed or culminated the session on list, and this time I am going to discuss the dictionaries in Python, which is again the mutable classes of the Python. So, let's move to our presentation, and this is the introductory session on dictionary. So, what is a dictionary? So, we know that a dictionary is a repository of words and their meanings. Each pair of word and corresponding meaning can be thought of as key and value pair, where key is the word and value is the corresponding meaning. As we look into actual dictionary, whether this is Oxford Dictionary, English to Hindi Dictionary, or Camden Dictionary. No two words keys in the dictionary are the same. Means if I am going to search for a word like beautiful, so beautiful is a single word, but its meanings maybe more than one. Like beautiful is means pretty, beautiful means good looking, beautiful means adorable. So there are the synonyms of beautiful. But if you go through the entire dictionary, you will find the beautiful word only once. And so here, no two words keys in the dictionary are the same. But this restriction does not apply to their values or the meaning. In Python, dictionaries are implemented with similar idea and can be used a lot of application in the lot of applications with various purposes. In this presentation, we are going to study dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is an unordered set of key and value pairs where a key can be any fundamental data type and value can be any data type. Fundamental data type means it could be integer, it could be a string, and any other immutable data or data type, and value can be of any data type. So we'll take some examples on this. A dictionary is created by putting the comma separated key and value. Means there is a pair of two things, that is key and value. So this is one element, this is only one element, this pair is only one element. So pairs of the dictionary in braces, so we can put multiple pairs in the dictionary to create the dictionary, and the dictionary is created inside the braces or curly brackets in general. For example, following is a small dictionary of the three elements. So what are those three elements? So here if you look at the values in braces, like Arun, it is in a string colon 20. So here this is a key and this is a value. Sunidhi is the key and 32 is the value, and Naman is the key and 30 is the value. So usually a dictionary is assigned to a variable. Means this entire dictionary which I have created is not the complete dictionary unless I assign a variable here. So let's assign a variable like marks is equal to Arun 29, Sunidhi 32, Naman 30. So this is the dictionary and the variable assigned to is marks. Assigns the dictionary of three elements to the variable marks here. So the key in dictionary are used as indices. Therefore, in the above dictionary or discussed on the previous slide, Arun, Sunidhi and Naman are the indices for the values 29, 32 and 30 respectively. This can be logically viewed as marks means this is the key and here this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, Naman is the key and 30 is the value. So this way we can depict the dictionary. And moreover, when we talk about the list, so over there in list, the index or indices in the list are generated or allotted by the Python itself. So 0 is 29, 1 is 32, 3 2 is 30. So means these indices are generated by the Python itself, but in the dictionary these automatic indices are not there. You'll have to create the keys of your own. So here this marks is the dictionary, and here these are the keys. Arun, Sunidhi and Naman are the keys, and 29, 32, 30 are the values. This is unlike tuples or lists where indices are automatically assigned integers in the sequence starting from 0, as I discussed just 2 seconds before or 2 seconds ago. As the keys are indices for a dictionary cannot have multiple occurrences of the same key. Means one key cannot be repeated in the dictionary. There should be some uh, little difference in the keys, but keys should not be the same. In other words, two or more elements of a dictionary cannot have the same key. Also, there is no concept of positive or negative indices of a dictionary, as we have seen in the list or tuples. So in list, when we move left to right, the indices are positives 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and when we move right to left, the indices are negative. The way how to access the elements in the dictionary, there are many ways to access dictionary elements. Two of these are: the first method which I am going to discuss is access individual elements by using dictionary name and the key. For example, if I print marks square bracket and the key, marks is the variable, means dictionary variable, and square bracket Arun is the key, and this way when it prints marks Arun, it prints the marks of Arun key, so it displays 29 here. Second method is access all elements one by using for loop where the range is specified the dictionary name. For example, for k in marks, so k is a variable and marks is the dictionary, so this the range is specified the dictionary name itself. So here there are three elements for k in marks, so the k will take keys one by one and then prints the values, like print marks k will print 29, then next time it will print 32, and next time it prints 30. To understand the methods defined in the following table, we shall refer to the following dictionary. Suppose I'm going to create a dictionary. So you just imagine the dictionary like Oxford Dictionary, where number of English words are there and we want to find out the meaning of those English words. But here I am going to create a dictionary English to Hindi like this. Just have a look on the example. Suppose I have created a dictionary Hindi is equal to, the key is where and it is string type, colon kahan, means the English word is this and Hindi word is this. English word is this and Hindi word is this. So this is how we can create the dictionary. And if you look at seriously, where is the key and its meaning is a value. Here is the key, yahan is the value. There is the key, wahan is the value. So this way we can create the dictionary. Let's move to a collab where I can show you how to create a dictionary. It takes time loading the collab notebook, but no worries, but executes very fast. So here look at the code. Creating a dictionary. Hindi is equal to the same dictionary I have pasted here. Hindi is equal to where the meanings of English words into Hindi. So when I apply the loop for K in Hindi and print K and Hindi K, so K is the key and Hindi K is the value. So if you print this, it will show you the complete dictionary. So see here, the entire dictionary is printed here. So see here, this is the dictionary. Where meaning kahan, here meaning yahan, there meaning wahan, come meaning ana, go meaning jana. So this is how we can create a dictionary, and this is the exact meaning of the dictionary which we have discussed right now. Hope you understood the concept. We'll discuss more on in our next video. I'll expect what I have discussed with you right now, and I want your response in on this introductory session on dictionary. So if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, and also try hands-on. And the last request, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the notification as and when the new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video with some other concept on dictionary. Bye bye.